There is fog in your kitchen. In this case, fog stands for fats, oils, and grease. In essence, any type of fats and oils that are generated when preparing food. Avoid putting these down your kitchen drain. Fog can clog the sewer system. Here's a list of drain clogging fats and oils: bacon and other meat fats, cooking oil, butter, lard, shortening, dressings, marinades, dairy products, food scraps, margarine, gravy, sauces, sour cream, and mayonnaise. Warm fats and oils are in a liquid state. A liquid many assume is okay to pour down the drain, but as fog cools, it congeals, creating a paste which, over time, sticks to the walls of drains and sewer pipes. This video is of a massive grease clog under a street in London. The problems it caused were, shall we say, unpleasant. This accumulation can first cause foul odors to seep into your home. Also, over time, fog can cause sewage to back up into your home. Large clogs can also force sewage out of manholes, onto streets, and possibly into waterways, harmful to the environment and leading to very expensive cleanups. Thanks for watching, and check out our video on how to handle fog. For the Ottawa Water District, I'm Leonard Villarreal.